Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's latest release, the Galaxy S24 FE. After months of leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S24 FE has finally arrived, and it's packing some serious power. Let's break down everything you need to know about this exciting new Fan Edition smartphone. Before we get into the specs, let's talk about the journey of the Fan Edition lineup. Samsung first launched the Galaxy S21 FE, but it was delayed for a few months. Then came the Galaxy S23 FE, which took nearly 2 years to arrive in several markets. Now Samsung is back on track with the Galaxy S24 FE, released almost exactly a year after its predecessor. It's safe to say this phone has a lot to live up to. The Galaxy S24 FE brings some serious upgrades over its predecessor, the S23 FE. It features a larger display, a bigger battery, and enhanced AI capabilities thanks to the Foldable engine. This suite of AI-powered tools helps photographers take their creativity to the next level, from snapping the shot to editing it on the go. Samsung's corporate EVP Seon Lee puts it best. We want everyone to enjoy all the benefits of our latest mobile innovations. Galaxy S24 FE makes the powerful performance and premium Galaxy AI capabilities of the S24 series available to even more people. Let's start with the display. The Galaxy S24 FE sports a massive 6.7-inch screen, the largest ever seen on a Fan Edition model. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you can expect silky smooth scrolling and a fantastic viewing experience, especially for gaming or watching videos. Samsung has also introduced Vision Booster, which enhances color and contrast, making sure your screen stays vibrant even in direct sunlight. On the design front, the Galaxy S24 FE has a familiar feel, echoing both the S23 FE and the premium S24 lineup. It features a triple camera setup on the back, an aluminum frame, and side-mounted power and volume buttons. And if you're into colors, Samsung has you covered. The S24 FE comes in blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. Oh, and it's IP68 rated, meaning it's protected from water and dust. Now, onto the cameras. While the S24 FE keeps the same camera setup as its predecessor, Samsung has upped its game with the introduction of the Foldable engine. Here's what you get: a 50-megapixel wide camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel telephoto camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel front camera. With nightography, low-light shots are sharper and clearer, making those nighttime portraits look better than ever. The enhanced zoom feature offers optical quality performance at 2x zoom, and the AI zoom improves image quality even at digital zoom distances. The object-aware engine recognizes scenes and adjusts colors to make your photos and videos pop with vibrant, lifelike detail. Once you captured your perfect shot, Samsung's Photo Assist features, powered by Galaxy AI, come into play. You can move or remove objects with generative edit, turn your selfies into comics with Portrait Studio, and even slow down your favorite moments with instant slow-mo. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 FE runs on Android 14 with the latest One UI 6.1. letting you share some juice with a friend's device. Now, let's talk price. The Galaxy S24 FE will be available starting October 3rd. The base 128GB model is priced at $649.99, while the 256GB variant costs $709.99. Samsung hasn't revealed the price for the 512GB model yet, but we'll update you as soon as we know. The Galaxy S24 FE is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the Fan Edition lineup. What do you think? Will you be picking up the Galaxy S24 FE? Let me know in the comments below. As always, see you in the next video. Hey, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yanon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.